Last year, rumors were high for a successor to the iPhone SE. Expected to be called the iPhone SE2, the smartphone was expected to offer a compact iPhone for a much lesser price than the iPhone X. Later, the speculations lowered the expectation for just an internal upgrade to the old form factor of the iPhone SE. However, none of that happened, and Apple's budget offering for the masses was the iPhone XR, a $750 flagship grade with some compromises. Lately, rumors for a successor to the iPhone SE have resurfaced. Expected to be called the iPhone XE, the handset is expected to bring the premium features from the iPhone XS in a compact form factor and at a much cheaper price. There's a pool of information about this rumored iPhone SE successor. The iPhone XE is speculated to be a successor to the iPhone SE. The iPhone XE is expected to feature an OLED display. The iPhone XE is expected to ditch the liquid retina display of the iPhone XR. The iPhone XE is also expected to feature a 12-megapixel single rear camera. The camera will most probably be lifted off from the iPhone XR. While information about the battery and chipset is unavailable at the moment, it is expected that Apple will build the iPhone XE around the next generation A series chip that's supposed to power the iPhone